Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open.